Welcome again everyone to MALogics. Friends, get ready to level up your math skills because we are dropping daily brain busting problems that will make your math whiz in no time. And today we are tackling this head scratcher 8 minus 5 parenthesis 8 minus 5. Your brain says its answer is 9, but no, it's wrong. Can you solve it in your head before I reveal the solution? Okay, let's move to its solution. Here the PEMDAS rule in our guide. Remember, parentheses come before subtraction, so step by step. Write 8 minus 5 as it is, and inside this parenthesis 8 minus 5, which gives us 3. So in our next step, we will do multiplication first again. So write this 8 and 5 times 3 gives us 15. So 8 minus 15. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems. In our next step, 8 minus 15 gives us minus 7. Friends, this is our final and correct answer for the statement given above. And friends, if you enjoyed this little math adventure and didn't want to miss out on more, hit that like button and subscribe. It's the only way to guarantee you wouldn't miss our next mind bending challenge.